Animation scene. What is animation scene? Animation scene refers to a specific segment or portion of an animated sequence, typically within a larger project like a film, video, game, or interactive experience. It represents a self-contained unit where characters, objects, or environments move, change, or interact according to the story, script, or purpose of the project. Next, animation scene have four main components, which are deformation and movement, inverse kinematics, expression, and procedural animation.
Deformation and movement.
Deformation.
Deformation refers to altering the shape or structure of an object or character to create movement, express emotions, or add realism. It often involves changing the size, position, or proportions of specific parts. Squash and stretch. A principle where an object changes its shape to show impact or flexibility. Example: bouncing ball squashes on impact and stretches during movement. Shape keys/morph targets. Predefined states in 3D or 2D animation that allow smooth transitions between different shapes or expressions.
Movement.
Movement refers to how objects or characters travel through space and time in an animation. This includes their speed, direction, and style of motion. Movement can be categorized into linear movement. Objects travel in a straight line at a constant speed. Dynamic movement. Motion that involves acceleration or deceleration, like easing in and easing out. Arcs. Natural movement often follows a curved path, mimicking real-life motion, e.g., the swing of a pendulum.
Have you ever wondered how animators create seamless, natural-looking movements? The secret lies in a powerful technique called inverse kinematics. Inverse kinematics is a fundamental concept in animation, allowing animators to control the movement of complex, interconnected systems, such as limbs and joints. In fact, a study by the Journal of Computer Animation and Virtual Worlds found that the use of inverse kinematics can improve the realism and efficiency of character animation by up to 40%. And when it comes to Vyond, a popular animation software, inverse kinematics is a powerful tool that can take your animations to the next level. By understanding and leveraging inverse kinematics, you can create more natural, lifelike movements, saving time and effort in the animation process.
Now, let's move on to the expressions in animation.
First of all, expression in animation refers to the use of visual cues, primarily facial expressions and body language, to convey emotions and intentions of animated characters. It's the art of bringing characters to life, making them relatable, and enhancing the storytelling process.
Now, let's look on some examples of face expressions and body languages as well as its definition.
Facial expressions are the manipulation of facial features like eyes, eyebrows, mouth, and cheeks to convey a wide range of emotions, from joy and sadness to anger and surprise. Body language is the use of body posture, gestures, and movement to express emotions and intentions, often complementing facial expressions.
In the majority of games, character animations are static. Each specific movement is a predetermined asset, regardless of whether they were created by hand or captured with a motion capture suit. In a procedural animation, objects are animated by a procedure, a set of rules, not by keyframing. The animator specifies rules and initial conditions and runs simulation. Rules are often based on physical rules of the real world expressed by mathematical equations. With procedural animation, the animator specifies rules and initial conditions, and the simulation does the rest. This physics-based approach is often used for realistic water simulations, ragdoll physics, and inverse kinematics. Compared to traditional animation, procedural methods can create more dynamic, responsive, and realistic character movements.